The most important thing that you should do if you've had a workers' compensation injury, and an injury can be anything from a traumatic event where you have a car wreck or where you fall out of a chair or something to that event, or it could be something that wears on you for a long period of time. Say, for instance, if you've been lifting heaters that weigh 300 pounds every day and then all of a sudden one day you can't get out of the bed. So if you've had some sort of a workers' compensation injury, whether it's on one day or one occasion, or whether it's over a long period of time, the most important thing that we would tell you to do is to notify your employer. Now, how do you do that? The best thing to do, of course, is to sit down and handwrite and date on a piece of paper exactly what happened and how you got hurt. You take a copy of that to your employer and you keep a copy for yourself. Now, of course, if you've had a serious traumatic event, there's no ordinarily going to be an accident report filled out by the employer, or there's going to be an ambulance report or something to that effect, and that will suffice. But if there's some question about whether or not the employer knows about your injury, it's very, very important that you put it in writing and keep a copy of it yourself. Now, the notification is very, very important, and so then once you've notified them, you may want to try to find out if they have a workers' compensation insurance carrier or adjuster. Then you notify the carrier or the workers' compensation insurance carrier or the adjuster and ask them, if you've been taken off work by a doctor, to begin your temporary pay. If you've been off work for 7 continuous days, then you're entitled to temporary pay, and that's 2/3 of your pay based upon the wages that you've been paid over the past 52 weeks. If you're having difficulty getting either medical treatment or your temporary pay, there's also a procedure whereby you can kick in to get the Tennessee State Department of Labor to assist you. You can actually go to their website, it's under the Tennessee Department of Labor Workers' Compensation Division, and you can find a form called a request for assistance. It's only a 2-page form, it's very simple to fill out. File that form, and usually you'll get some help in getting your medical treatment or getting your temporary pay.